All right, here is a speed run of American Bingo. Because this case has the old format, my normal VBA formatting is not going to work, but that's fine because we're just gonna do it a different way. I don't need that. I'm gonna take all the case data here and paste values into there so I don't have to deal with merge cells and pictures, except these colors I actually do need, right? So I'm going to take colors here. I got to use my color fill to fill out the colors with little ones because that's going to be important. And these names are also important. So I'm going to unmerge and then I'm going to use my flood fill to fill in that. So to solve this, I'm going to start a what if table, right? So starting with question number 1, we look up on the question number, returning all the data for the question, like that. Then I need to know, right, the target card for the case. So that's going to be filtering the card that you need, right, by the name of the card. And then I have to say that the name of the card matches the name for this problem. It's not there for some reason. I gotta go farther. Matches the name of the card, which is here. Okay, so player 1's card is what? X2 call of this. Don't need the addresses. Why don't I just put player 2's card right under it? No, not like that though, because there's a free space that I got to worry about. So we get rid of the free space, first of all, or we have the free space because we need it. Now we pull this without addresses, right? This one, I'm going to put a color so I don't lose track of which player's which. Now the target, right, is just X2 call of this. Out addresses, please. I need that there and there. So I need the bingo numbers, right? So I filter the calls, goes through here. And I want to filter out the zeros, so just filter by itself. So a 1 represents that I need it. So if this is a free space, all right, capitals don't matter. If I, that's always an I, then I don't need it. If it was called, right, meaning this equals this with the 4 and the I both locked, right, then I don't need it. Otherwise, I'm going to pull whether I need it or not from the target card or from the previous cell, right? This will just go on. Make this a little easier to find here. Goes like that. So now I need to know, did P1 win, P2 win, and are we done? So in order to win, all these have got to be 0, right? So the minimum is here. No, the maximum is what I care about, right? Because I want to see if they're all 0, right? So there's the maximum of that. Except that's not going to work because it's not an array the whole time. So well, you can't win from the thing. So the maximum of this, and then the maximum of this And then I need to know, right, the minimum of this, did anybody win, right? And then let's just, I don't know, reverse this like this, minus, minus, not. And that'll tell me if I'm done or not. Because that means that if either player wins, then the game's over, right? Starts out as ones, eventually somebody wins and this flips to a one. So the answer, right? So sequence 50 is the problems. The answer I'm going to put here is XLOOKUP a one on the done, returning on the problem number lined up. Then do a what if table, and finally paste it in, stop the clock. All right, thanks for watching.